We were almost getting a ticket for parking, but the guy was so nice. He said, look, I'm just gonna give you a warning. Just remember to pay it and stuff. Look at that. It says, the courtesy warning has been issued to encourage friendly cooperation and compliance.
Friendly?
Friendly?
He was friendly.
He was friendly. I want to be friendly. You want to be friendly?
Yeah. No, that was cool. We were just checking out the place and
be friendly. If we can see
they
some
know
alligators.
where we are?
They know, yeah, they know we're at this canoe kayak place.
Yeah.
Man, listen to this silence. It's like, I feel like I'm gonna get jumped any time now. It's real silent.
I'm trying to find an alligator somewhere.
If we find one, we'll let you know.
I have a feeling if I push in, we'll find one quicker.
Yeah.
I just want to see how they react.
Let's go.
He doesn't give a
Motherfucker
shit.
didn't even move, man. You player.
Doesn't care.
This dude is stone cold. We're being so evil. Now you're moving, little bitch. Spend 15 bucks and if you run over, then we pay the rest.
Wait, buddy. Thanks, man.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, you guys have fun.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Alright, so we're finally in the water. Look at this, man. Look where we came from. He just launched us out. And now Cyril is gonna find some alligators. Cyril, our first alligator spotted. We got a birdie. Bird. Birdie. Amazing place. Look at this. Hey bro, I'm pedaling for you. No, we got this one.
Let's get a bit closer. He's a bit afraid of us.
These gators are amazing, yo. Wait, this guy is here. And now he's going in to come and bite our asses off. And you hear the thunder in the background even. He's checking us out. Out in the wilderness. Oh, these fucking spider webs, man.
I go with it.
Oh my god, I almost fell down.
Dude.
He scared the shit out of Cyril.
Dude, well, the ball was gonna tip. I thought it was gonna tip. We were on the way of tipping.
We're gonna tip in alligator water. The guy at the place told us that alligators are obviously cold-blooded and they're too lazy to hunt humans. They only hunt when they're actually hungry and then they go for birds or fish or stuff like that.
Apparently a woman got bitten here a year ago.
Tell us about that.
Well, the story is that the alligator jumped in the boat, bit her and jumped back out, but that's not possible.
Look, we're gonna hit this thing.
So, but anyway, she got bitten.
The real story is she probably poked the fuck out of it and then it tried to like defend itself and ran away.
To be honest, I would poke one too.
Cyril had a brilliant idea to climb that trunk. Let's go. Well, I'm right here. You can jump back in. Are you on top of the world?
Top of the alligators? Oh shit, that can crack.
I think it can. It looks like the whole thing's going to crack real soon. I'm sailing away from Cyril.
Bye bye.
Abs, bro.
You got it.
You got it. Come up.
Dude, be careful, that trunk can crack. Hello there.
Nice and refreshing to take a piss.
I won't disagree with you.
Cyril's leaving me. Alright, so I decided to jump on these logs as well. It's pretty freaky, you know, knowing the fact that if you jump in the water, you know, you're basically swimming with alligators. What?
There we go.
Impossible.
Let's give up. It's stronger than we thought.
Shit, dude.
Oh. Well, you know what he saw? He saw that motherfucker right there.
Damn it, that doesn't look like a...
He thought it was a fucking alligator.
Dude.
Hey, dude.
Teamwork.
Ow.
Sorry.
Yeah, bish.
It's really warm, very humid here. And we decided to stay still here on the boat for a bit and not make any noise, and maybe we'll see an alligator.
We're trying to be patient,
Yeah.
but I think alligators are more patient than we are. I'm a tribesman. Give me your money. Don't play. I got friends, you know. We got spears. Don't fuck.
So we're not that lucky, we haven't seen another one since. Nico really wants to see one. He's desperate.
Oh man, I thought I would be like petting them and shit. And they'd be licking my fingers and stuff. You ready? Put the head out.
We went the wrong way.
Let's go back under the branch. Good job, bro.
We're gonna go home now and do some other things. Get ready, because we need to go to
Miami!
Anyways, thanks for watching. Take care. Till next time.
Food!
We found food!
We found food!
Guess what this is?